Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video guys, I will teach you how to install Mac OS to your old PC. First, we need to install the Mac OS image. So just go to oralilia.com and then find the Mac OS you want. Mine, I choose the Mac OS Monterey and just click the link. You just need to skip the you need to watch the 3 ads here before you open the final link like this one. Download the Monterey image. Then mine, I have downloaded a Monterey image. Then go to Balena Etcher. Download the Balena Etcher.
Then open the Balena Etcher. Then now we're going to plug the my USB pen drive.
Okay, once you're done, then open the Balena Etcher. Then now we're going to plug the my USB pen drive. Okay, now let's close this one and open the browser. And then search for mini tool partition wizard and install it, and then open the mini tool partition wizard. And right here, this is my flash drive EFI partition. Then I will mark or change later to X. Then close it. Then open the browser again. Then download the Explorer Plus Plus. Okay, download the Explorer Plus Plus. And extract this one. Then open and run as administrator. Then go to EFI partition. Then delete all files there. Then you can disregard that one. Then go to DXDiag. Let's check our processor. So mine, I have i5 port gen. We need to find the code name of port gen. Like this one, just type i5 port generation, and my code name is Haswell. So we are now going to look the EFI Haswell EFI folder. Go to this website and then just click this EFI folder and then look for desktop and then Haswell. Okay, and make sure you have choose the open core and download it. Then extract this one. Then copy the whole EFI folder and paste it here. Then okay, your installation is now ready. Start the PC and then go to setup. So make sure the secure boot is disabled. And then now we're going to boot the our macOS bootable drive. this, uh, go to this utility, then click continue, then make sure to show all drive, then choose AFS, and then name it anything you want. Then finally, just click install macOS Monterey. Okay, it will take a lot of time. Approximately, it's about 1 hour to install this macOS Monterey. And it will restart many times, more or less 4 to 5 times. You don't need to touch anything, just go run the PC. Okay, let's check these specs. So as you can see, there's no graphics yet. Then what we're going to do is we need to mount the EFI to internal hard drive to make sure will work anytime you restart the PC without pen drive. So just open this application and install. And okay, let's mount this one, internal hard drive, EFI for internal hard drive. Okay, this is EFI. Then let's open another one, EFI from external hard drive. Okay, then we're going to copy the EFI from external hard drive to internal hard drive. So let's just delete the internal EFI, then copy this one to internal hard drive. Then we don't need USB bootable anymore, so we're going to remove this one, and then I will restart, and then there's no error. Okay, it will boot smoothly. Then another problem, we don't have graphics yet, so I will shut down this, and then I have a video card here which is not supported to macOS Monterey, so I will remove this one, and then I will use the internal graphics. So here's the internal graphics. So we have now 1,500 MB or 1.5 gig graphics card, so I can now play smooth and go wild. Let's test the 4K video here in YouTube. So this is just 1080. Then let's try 4K. Okay, it's very smooth and working properly. Okay, in 4K. So uh let's open the multiple tab. So this is very good. Okay, and smooth. Let's try this map. Okay, it is work fine. So see, it is very smooth and work the graphics card pretty well. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.